Samsung today announced two new premium smartphones, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 and the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Here's a quick look from PCMag.com. Samsung's folding phones have gotten great reviews for their style, but previous generations have been fragile and expensive. The new Galaxy Z Flip 3 and Z Fold 3 are more durable and less expensive than the previous models, although they're still very costly phones. The new Galaxy Z Flip 3 comes in 4 colors, and it has a slimmer, squarer form than the previous Flip did. It's easier to hold in the hand, and it has a much bigger front screen. The bigger front screen on the new Flip lets you look at notifications, change settings, and use Samsung Pay. It's much more flexible than the tiny front screen on the Flip 2 was. The Flip opens up into a slab-style smartphone. You can see the crease in the screen at some angles, but not really if you're looking at it straight on. The phone has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, a 10-megapixel front-facing camera, and dual 12-megapixel rear cameras. The new Galaxy Z Fold 3 has a much less pronounced camera bump than the previous model, and it closes into a flatter form factor than the Fold 2 did. It still folds open into a giant display, which Samsung says is 80% more durable than the previous model. One of the things you might not be able to see here is the new Underdisplay front-facing camera. It usually sits under the status bar, but content can genuinely cover it. It makes a sort of crosshatch pattern sometimes. One of the other biggest changes in the Fold 3 is its S Pen support. There are 2 new S Pens for the new model, a smaller one that you see here, and a larger Bluetooth-powered one that feels more like using a paintbrush. More apps are now optimized for the Fold's display as well. Spotify opens up into a 2-pane layout when you fold open the phone, and working in PowerPoint, you can drag an image from one document to another in multiple windows. The whole multitasking experience has been improved too. Like on the previous models, the new phones also support a flex mode, where you fold them in half and get content on the top half and controls on the bottom half. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 costs $999 and the Z Fold 3 costs $1799. That's less than last year's models, although of course it's still a lot. There are various discounts and trade-in options to make them less expensive. We'll have full reviews up on PCMag.com soon.